Hello everyone, I welcome you all in your own channel Gate Academy Global. So I am here with an announcement to make that I, Varun Singh, a faculty member at Gate Academy of Mechanical Engineering, is going to bring a series named this Life-Changing and Bending the Reality Challenge in 10 days. Yes, you have heard me right. You have read it right. Bending the reality challenge. You can bend your reality as if you have that reality stone of Thanos in your hands. You can bend the reality at your own will. For that, you have to restructure your mind. You have to restructure all the thinkings that you have had over the past years of your life. So what do we need to do, sir? You just need to follow those 10 videos. And these are not going to be the motivational sessions. No. They are just 10 to 12 minutes of videos which will lead you to think about the way you want to succeed and the way you want to achieve your success in future. So for that, I would like to urge you that please do watch these videos on a regular basis, and after that, after watching 10 to 12 minutes of that video, please focus on what I have said. Please think about on the things, on the topics which I have given to you, because it has to be a two-way interaction. In the end, I will give you my contact details as well, so that you can connect with me and we can communicate over many things over a period of time, right? So I want to do that. I want to connect to you. I want to reach out to you, because be it whatever preparation, GATE, ESC, UPSC, civil services, SSC, banking, whatever, you are a student, yes, you can watch it. And it hardly takes 10 to 12 minutes. Hardly 10 to 12 minutes. You can do it by brushing your teeth, while brushing your teeth as well. Just 10 minutes of your time is required, right? You have to be serious in your life. If you are an engineering student, I would like to tell you that please, we have some exciting offers on the recorded lectures. Go and see those offers at least, and be a part of this community which is growing day by day. Especially in mechanical engineering, where we have produced in the past year, GATE 2022, we have produced many double-digit and single-digit ranks. So we have proved our mettle. We just want you guys to come and join us in this beautiful journey, because we are definitely going to create a whole new reality. We are going to make a dent in the universe. But for that, we want you to be with us. Right? So these videos will tell you what things are going to be there around you, right? How small changes you can make, and what all are those small changes which you can make in your life to create a whole new reality. These videos will, compel you to think about what you have been doing in the past few years and why you are not able to get the results which you are expecting. What is it that is stopping you? All these factors will be evaluated through these videos only. So I want you guys to please pay attention to these videos, and they will come one by one. Right? They'll come one by one on a regular basis. You just have to be attentive for that. If you are not getting the notifications, just press the notification icon in the YouTube app and just go through all these and then refresh it. You'll start getting the notifications. Trust me, if you follow these 10 days challenge, some change will come, and that some change will ignite the other sequence of changes which are required in your life, and that is all it matters. So I just want you to be attentive to these lectures, to feel, I'll also share my contact details. It has to be a two-way interaction, as I've told you, so that you can connect with me. How else you will feel that you are also a part of the journey, right? And I am urging this, I am requesting to each and every student in each and every nook and corner of this country, be serious towards your career. It's high time now, because you can only enjoy success if you are at the ripe age. If you are old and then you are getting success, then it's okay, it feels good. But if you are at the right age and you taste your first success, that is a whole new story. That's a whole new feeling. It's a whole new euphoria. So with this, I would like to say, please go through all the videos which are going to come to you guys. Just 10 to 12 minutes it will take. In Hindi and in English, same content will be delivered. You just have to pay attention. So with this, I would like to say thank you so very much. See you guys in the next session, in the next video. I hope you find this very useful, because they are going to change your life. They are going to bend your reality. Trust me. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.